The remarkable world of dragonflies. Few insects captivate observers quite like dragonflies. These aerial acrobats combine stunning beauty with graceful flight, all while providing invaluable pest control services to humans. They're harmless to people, no biting, no stinging, yet their ancient lineage includes Permian period ancestors with wingspans approaching an impressive 3 feet. A unique reproductive strategy. Dragonflies face a peculiar challenge. Male dragonflies have their sperm-producing organs at the rear of the abdomen, while their copulatory structures are located near the front. Before mating can occur, males must curl their bodies to transfer sperm forward, a remarkable piece of biological engineering. The mating ritual itself is equally distinctive. Males grasp females behind the head, while the females curve their abdomens forward to connect with the male's anterior structures. This creates the characteristic wheel or tandem formation, often spotted around ponds and streams, with paired dragonflies gliding through the air in synchronized flight. Life beneath the surface. While adult dragonflies dazzle in the air, their youth unfolds entirely underwater. Females deposit eggs directly in or on aquatic surfaces, where they develop into voracious nymphs. These underwater hunters possess an ingenious breathing and locomotion system. Specialized rectal gills draw water in for oxygen extraction, then forcefully expel it to create jet propulsion. This remarkably efficient method allows nymphs to dart through water with surprising speed. Young dragonflies are fierce predators, consuming everything from tiny aquatic organisms to larger prey like tadpoles and even small fish. In turn, these nymphs serve as crucial food sources for fish populations, making them integral to aquatic food webs. Transformation to flight. When nymphs reach maturity, they undertake their final metamorphosis. Climbing onto vegetation or other surfaces above the waterline, they split their exoskeletons and emerge as soft, vulnerable adults. The newly emerged dragonfly gradually expands to full size, its body hardening over time until its wings can finally carry it aloft. Masters of the air. Adult dragonflies are precision hunters equipped with massive compound eyes that dominate their heads. These visual powerhouses enable them to spot and pursue tiny flying insects with remarkable accuracy. Their appetite for mosquitoes has earned them the colloquial name mosquito hawks, a testament to their value as natural pest controllers. Since dragonflies have zero interest in humans or other warm-blooded animals, they're entirely beneficial neighbors. Beauty in motion. Watching dragonflies offers endless fascination. Their flight patterns weave intricate aerial choreography as they hunt prey, pursue mates, and perform their distinctive tandem mating flights. Combined with their mosquito-eating habits and ecological importance, dragonflies stand as one of nature's most beneficial and beautiful creations. I've spent countless hours observing these remarkable insects and photographing their behavior up close. Each encounter reinforces what makes dragonflies so special. They're living links to ancient history, ecological workhorses, and subjects of endless natural wonder.